this is going to be the last video. It's just that things were not working out the way it should work. I had a very terrible cry. Like I got a strong urge of giving up. This was the vow which I have made with the God. Okay, so this video starts with a disclaimer that this video is not going to have any crazy edits. It's a raw and intimate talk. Okay, so this video exists because I want to talk about a day in my life which was in this year only. I had a very terrible cry. Like I cried like a baby on that day. Like very ugly cry, very ugly cry. I never had such type of cry very often, and especially those kind of cry. Nobody hurt me, okay, nobody said anything wrong to me, nobody did anything wrong to me. It's just that things were not working out the way it should work according to me, because the kind of efforts that I've put in, the kind of things which I was doing, people had a lot of expectation. Even I also had expectation from myself, but just things does not work out that time. And I was feeling tons of emotions, like I was feeling like I was feeling like that I'm not doing well enough, that I was doubting myself. I just don't want to dwell more into that thing because it just make me feel that I am living the same emotion. Although I have healed myself a lot from that, and I'm just trying to find the page where I have written on my journal. It was January 20, 2025. You can see the date I've written. Okay, sorry. Okay, and it's called chapter 9. Like I write my journal in chapters, and the chapter 9 says that I got a strong urge of giving up. Okay, so I'm gonna read out something which I have written. Actually, I've written 4 long pages. I don't know, I'm not kind of person who would call a friend and tell that, oh, I'm having a mental breakdown, please help me out, because I know that my friends are also struggling. It's that kind of age where everyone is struggling, everyone has their own struggle. The best person who can solve my own problem is me, because I know my thing, I know my shit, and I know how to get my shit together. From my last video, I felt so motivated to create videos on and on because my father and Alka told me that I was doing incredible. That motivation was indeed the driving force for this video, but and dot 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 dot. I know that my primary focus is to consistently post good quality videos without thinking about the result, which I do with every video. I just do it and post, and mostly all the time the results are constant. Don't know, it's so difficult for me to grow even after uploading so many videos. I have 63 or 62 videos with 221 subscribers only. Okay, so this is what I've written, and then I have written this, my commitment which I did. Let me give you a little bit context. So I've been creating content for like 3 years now, and I have not got any significant amount of growth, and I've started doing the content creation with at most sincerity after the commitment which I've took. I commit to upload 2 long format video each month for this entire year without stressing over the result. And if 2 of these conditions fulfill, only then I will continue my YouTube journey. Okay, I have uploaded 2 long format video every single month, and even though things were not very in my favor, and I was not having too much time to actually film anything, shoot anything, edit, especially because most of the time I had exams, I had college, I have to think a lot about my career, and a lot of things were going on. Even after all that was happening, I still managed to create 2 long format video every single month. And I have just started the 365 days heart challenge, where I'll be posting every single day. So there are 2 conditions. If one of it fulfills, then I will continue this journey of making videos. Otherwise, this is going to be the last video, probably. First condition is that I reach 5k plus subscribers in this year. Second condition is I have started loving and enjoying making videos and don't stress over the result. Out of these 2 conditions, one is seems to be fulfilling now, and one is have not fulfilled yet. This was the vow which I have made with the God, that I will upload 2 long format video every single month without stressing over results. I will not cry over that I've not got a result better, or I could have done better, or nothing like that. No. At that moment of time, I had like 63 videos, and now I have 103 videos. And that time I had subscribers of 221, and right now it's 325 subscribers, which is still not a significant number. And I'm just very grateful that I still have motivation to keep going. I don't know, I have, ever since I've started this 365 days challenge, like I am editing every single day. For me right now, the content creation is not just about the videos, it's about showing up every single day. It feels more like a self-development journey rather than a content creation journey. It's just like my way of seeing things. It's just my perspective that it's more of like self-development instead of like content creation journey. Yeah, it just feels like that I'm having some visual diaries. I used to have like these thick journals where I still write. I do write. Now I have this visual diary as well where I am documenting what is happening in my life. The point is not that how much videos I've committed. The point actually here is the consistency. You know that you have to do it. You cannot procrastinate. Somehow help me in quitting my procrastination. I think I can have this family, I can have this online family where I can connect with people. There could be some people who will connect with me. There are people who have so many hobbies, someone who is still figuring out life, someone who is getting up every single day thinking that they will change their life, they will do something so that they can feel better about themselves. There are some people who wants to get healed, some people who are there who wants to do something which make them feel better for themselves. And if you are that kind of person, feel free to interact because I am also that kind of person. Oh, by the way, Happy New Year. 2026 is going to be our year.